Hello, I'm Nureng Pictureslin, BB2211050, and today I will show you how to create a three essential chart in Microsoft Excel: the Gantt chart, Pareto chart, and the control chart. The first one is a Gantt chart. The purpose of the Gantt chart is a visual represent a project schedule showing a task along a timeline. I will guide step by step how to do a Gantt chart. The first thing is to prepare your data. Open a new Excel sheet and enter your project data. Add a durations, which is a number of days for each task. After all the durations are there, you need you need to select your task name, start date, and the end date column. Go to the Insert tab, click Bar Chart. After that, you need to select your task name and the date column. Go to the Insert tab, click Bar Chart, then choose a stack bar. Now we will go to the Add Duration Data. Right-click the chart and select the Select Data there. Click Add to add a new series. For series name, choose a durations. For series value, select your durations column. After that, we wanted to format the chart. So right-click the Start That bar, select Format Data Series. Set Fill to No Fill, so only the durations bar are visible. Reverse the task order. Right-click the vertical axis, choose a format axis, and check Categories in reverse order. Adjust the horizontal axis minimum and maximum to match your project start date for a clean timelines. After that, we customize, change the bar colors, and add chart titles and label the axis for the clarity. Now, now you have a clear Gantt chart to track your project schedule. Now we will go to the Pareto chart. The purpose for the Pareto chart is to help identify the most significant factors in the dataset following the 80 per 20 rules. So the first thing that we need to do is to prepare your data. Sort the data in a descending order. After that, calculate the total percentage. Type equal sum of the first cell divided by sum of the total number of the fact. Put a dollar signs. It will prevent those numbers from changing. That we wanted to calculate the cumulative percentage. Type equal first value of total percentage. For the second value, type sum of first and second values and put a dollar signs and drag it down to get the cumulative percentage. Highlight your categories and frequency. Go to Insert, Chart, select Column Cluster. Click Graph, go to Select under the data, select Go to the total percentage and remove it. Select cumulative percentage. Go to the format data series and change it to the secondary axis. After that, change the chart type to line for cumulative percentage only. We wanted to customize. So add chart title and axis label. Adjust colors and line style for clarity. Now, your parity chart clearly show which problems are most frequent. We will go to the third chart, which is a control chart. A control chart monitor process stability over time. It's showing if a process is within the control limit. So the first thing that we need to do is to prepare your data. We need to calculate the median, and after the after you calculate the median, pass it. We also need to calculate average and the average of the range. After we calculate all the data, we need to calculate the upper control limit and lower control limit. We need to use a formula which is upper control limit equal average data plus 2.66 times average of the range. For the lower control limit is average data minus 2.66 times average of the range. After we calculate all the data, we need to go highlight the sample numbers, data, average, upper control limits, and the lower control limit column. Go to the insert and find the line chart. After we insert the line chart, we need to format the chart. So we need to ensure that each line, data, average, upper control limits, and the lower control limits has a different color. And add chart and axis title for clarity. That's how you make a control chart. It helps you to monitor your process and spot any out of control points quickly. That is how you can make a tree chart, which is a Gantt chart, Pareto chart, and the control chart in Excel. If you practice this step, you will be able to manage the project and analyze process which in the more efficiently. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.